Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting sports cars of the year, the 2025 Toyota GR86. This car continues Toyota's legacy of lightweight, rear-wheel drive coupes, blending affordability, performance and driving fun into a single package. If you're a fan of sports cars that put the driver first, stick around because this is one ride you don't want to miss. The Toyota GR86, originally introduced as the successor to the GT86, has always been about balance. Not just raw horsepower or straight-line speed, but a connection between the driver, the road, and the machine. For 2025, Toyota has taken that philosophy even further, refining every detail to deliver an even more engaging driving experience. At the heart of the 2025 GR86 is its naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, producing around 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. While that might not sound like supercar numbers, it's all about how the power is delivered. The high-revving nature of this engine means you get an exhilarating experience every time you push it to the limit. And because the car is so lightweight, coming in at just around 2,800 pounds, it doesn't need excessive power to feel quick and responsive. Toyota offers the GR86 with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, but let's be real, if you're buying this car for the driving experience, the manual is the way to go. It provides an old-school, hands-on feel that is getting rarer in modern cars. The shifts are crisp, the clutch is perfectly weighted, and every gear change feels mechanical and precise. The biggest updates for the 2025 model year are in the chassis and suspension tuning. Toyota has further refined the handling, making the car even more planted in corners without sacrificing its playful nature. The steering feels sharp, with just the right amount of feedback to keep you connected to the road. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, the GR86 is an absolute joy to drive. One of the standout features of the GR86 has always been its balance between agility and usability. Unlike some high-performance sports cars, this isn't a car that punishes you for driving it daily. The suspension is firm but not harsh, the cabin is comfortable, and the seats provide excellent support without being too aggressive. It's the kind of car you can take to work every day and then unleash on the weekends without missing a beat. Speaking of the interior, Toyota has kept things simple yet functional. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential performance data, including a track mode that displays lap times, G-forces, and more. The infotainment system is modern, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it doesn't distract from what this car is really about: the drive. One of the major additions to the 2025 model is the availability of Toyota's latest driver assistance features. While purists might scoff at things like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning in a sports car, Toyota has managed to integrate these features without dulling the driving experience. They're there when you need them but never get in the way when you don't. Now, let's talk about the styling. The GR86 continues its sleek, aggressive design with a few subtle refinements. The front fascia looks sharper, with redesigned LED headlights and a more pronounced grille. The aerodynamic profile has been slightly tweaked to improve airflow and stability at high speeds. Around the back, the dual exhaust setup and rear diffuser give it that proper sports car look. And of course, Toyota offers a range of exciting colors, including some exclusive new shades for 2025. Customization is also a big part of the GR86 experience. Toyota has expanded its GR parts catalog, allowing owners to personalize their cars with everything from upgraded wheels and spoilers to enhanced suspension components and performance exhaust systems. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or take your track days to the next level, Toyota has you covered. Of course, one of the biggest selling points of the GR86 has always been its price. While sports cars are getting more expensive across the board, Toyota has managed to keep the GR86 relatively affordable, making it one of the best value performance cars on the market. When you consider what you're getting, a lightweight rear-wheel drive coupe with a high-revving engine, manual transmission, and razor-sharp handling, it's hard to find a better deal in the sports car world. So who is the 2025 Toyota GR86 for? If you're looking for a car that prioritizes driving engagement over everything else, this is it. If you love the feeling of being in complete control, of dancing through corners with precision, and of experiencing a pure, unfiltered connection between car and driver, the GR86 delivers.